डिस्ट्रिक्ट प्रेसिडेंट्स सिलेक्ट जातले आनी ते डिस्ट्रिक्ट प्रेसिडेंटाचें सिलेक्शन हे ग्रासरूट लेवला वयल्यान जावपा खातीर हो एंटायर प्रोग्राम डिझायन केला, वेरीन ब्लॉक लेवल बूथ लेवला वयल्यान सजेशन दितली कोण डिस्ट्रिक्ट प्रेसिडेंट जावचो तो, आनी डिस्ट्रिक्ट प्रेसिडेंटाक हाजे पयली जी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज आसल्यो ताच्याकून एनहान्स रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज दिल्या. आनी हे प्रोग्रामा खातीर आमचे एक AICC ऑब्जर्वर्स नेमल्या 4 आनी 4 डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स केल्या गोंयान, तशी नॉर्थ गोवा, साऊथ गोवा, म्हादई आनी कुशावती. तशी म्हादई डिस्ट्रिक्टाचे ऑब्जर्वर म्हणून AICCन CRC खुंटिया जे आसा तांकां ऑब्जर्वर म्हणून धाडल्या. ते फॉर्मर जनरल सेक्रेटरी ऑफ ऑल इंडिया काँग्रेस कमिटी आनी ते म्हादई डिस्ट्रिक्टाचे अंडर ज्यो मतदारसंघ येतात थंय सगळ्याक वचून ताणें मिटिंग्स कंडक्ट केल्या, ओपिनियन्स रिकॉर्ड केल्या डिस्ट्रिक्ट कमिटी PCC लेवला वयल्यान.
मेक दी सिलेक्शन एंड नॉमिनेशन प्रोसेस मोर डेमोक्रेटिक and workers oriented, people's oriented, to decentralize the power. That is the reason now the district president nomination is being done not by the PCC or AICC headquarters. DCC presidents will be selected as per the opinion of the grassroots level Congress workers. Accordingly, the process will go till the booth level, block committee, panchayat committee, municipal committee and booth committees would be nominated not by any leaders, MLA, MP, PCC president or the Congress High Command sitting in Delhi. It is High Command says they would be nominated and selected as per the grassroots workers working in that respective area. It is not happening in Goa. In many places, people are, many leaders who are after money and power. To get power, to get money, they are interested in wherever they are getting, and BJP systematically applying this method to disturb this opposition organization party all over the country, going against all norms, all principles. But I think इसको तो चेक करना मुश्किल है, but gradually people are also understanding.
अभी भगवान कौन सा है? अभी तो 2027 के भगवान कौन सा होगा? क्या समझेंगे?
नहीं, ये तो AICC डिसीजन करेगा. I said I have not come to select the PCC president. That is the responsibility of the AICC, that they will think and do. But those who are here till they are the PCC president, so I cannot say any comment on that. But in this, you can see these 3 candidates are there. Do you agree all? Whatever the decision is taken. So you all agree?
Yes. What will be their role later on after they are elected president? They will have to constitute their committee, or will they be given a further?
Yes, they have to constitute their block committee, panchayat committee, municipal committee, booth committee, and it has been said any newly elected president will be given ample opportunity, time to work and power. But those who cannot perform within 6 months, they will be dislodged.
They will be replaced.
They have to perform. They have to perform because, and the DCC president, our criteria is who is not 5 years in Congress, his name cannot be recommended. Against whom there is criminal case, his name cannot be recommended. And preference will be given within 50 years, or can be extended up to 60 years. And while selecting the DCC president, taking state as unit, all community people will try to accommodate. So not one community altogether. These are the criteria.
By when this process will be completed?
By 15th March, it will declare. So we are submitting our report by 1st March, and then there would be a meeting, our interaction with the higher authority to take our opinion. I think then by 15th March, definitely it will declare.